welcome back to Zik, the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use the Kling AI 2.0 for free. Right, a lot of people don't know they can actually use these apps for free, but you just have to go through some certain steps, right, to do that. So first thing you have to do, open up your browser and search for Kling AI, and you're going to see this. You can use your PC to do that as well, or use your mobile phone. So I'm using my mobile phone, right? So how do you actually get free credits on this app? So you have to actually first of all sign in. You have to sign in, right? So let's sign in. So let me just make this look the normal way because it's on desktop. Okay, so let's process it. Okay, I need to sign in. I'll be using my Google and using this account. So I have to sign in, takes a moment, and yeah, I'm signed in already. So the next thing you have to do is I got 66 credits, you can see right here. So 66 credits, and now let's create something, emotion control, right? So it's a 2.2. All you need to do is you need to add a video right here, right, and add a image for the character, and you get your image. You can see the 2.2 right here, 2.6, sorry. So how do you get more of this free credits? So you can actually just click on it, and what you need to do is actually refer. You need to refer your friends. You need to refer your friends to use the Kling AI, and once you refer it, you're going to get free credits. Get free credits where you can use multiple effects and a lot of things, right? So that's actually how to get it, or you can even subscribe if you want, right? If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. That's my next video. Bye.